ABC Educational Channel. Hello kids, welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about past experiences using simple past tense verbs. We will practice 4 useful verbs. I went. I saw. I ate. I visited. We use these verbs to talk about things that happen before now. For example, I went to the park yesterday. The action happened in the past. Went is the past form of go. We use I went to talk about a place we traveled to or visited in the past. For example, I went to the park yesterday. I went to the park yesterday. I went to the school this morning. I went to the school this morning. I went to the beach last Sunday. I went to the beach last Sunday. I went to the zoo with my family. I went to the zoo with my family. Saw is in the past form of see. We use I saw when we talk about something or someone we noticed in the past. For example, I saw a big elephant at the zoo. I saw a big elephant at the zoo. I saw my friend in the park. I saw my friend at the park. I saw a beautiful rainbow. I saw a beautiful rainbow. I saw many birds in the garden. I saw many birds in the garden. Ate is the past form of eat. We use I ate to talk about food we had in the past. For example, I ate pizza for lunch. I eat pizza for lunch. I ate an apple yesterday. I ate an apple yesterday. I ate ice cream at the party. I ate ice cream at the party. Visited is the past form of visit we use. I visited when we went to see person or a place. I visited my grandmother last week. I visited my grandmother last week. I visited a museum with my family. I visited a museum with my family. I visited my friend yesterday. I visited my friend yesterday. I visited the farm during my vacation. I visited the farm during my vacation. Quick review. Go, went. I went to the park. See, saw. I saw a bird. Eat, ate. I ate an apple. Visit, visited. I visited my grandmother. Keep practicing your English every day. Thank you for learning with me. See you in our next English lesson. Goodbye, kids.